Hi to everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about question paper 14 with shortcut solutions for Wipro Elite NLTH 2021. Please watch my videos up to end. These are very useful to crack the job in Wipro NLTH 2021. First, here in this in this question paper, first we are going to discuss about quantitative aptitude questions. Next, we are going to discuss about reasoning questions. Here, the first question in quantitative aptitude is: what is the probability of getting the sum 5 in two throws of the dice? So, here we see on first dice value is 1, another dice 4. 1, 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Next 2, comma 3. Next 3, comma 2. Next one is 4, comma 1. We get 4 different chances. 4 by whenever we throw two dices, we get totally 36 chances. 6 square means 36 chances. 4 by 36. 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja. That probability is 1 by 9. So option number A is the right answer. Next question. What is the value of 1010 base 2 in decimal number system? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 value is 1. This is 16. 0 means this value is 0. 2 square value is 4. 2 power 0 value is 1. 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1, 21. Option number B is the right answer. Next one. How many three-letter words with or without meaning can be formed out of the letters of the word signature if repetition of the letters is not allowed? Totally, how many letters is there? Totally 9 letters is there. We form 3 letters, 9 C 3 letters. That means all the letters are different. Take 3 letters. And these 3 letters form with that it's within that one, we form in 3 factorial ways. 9C3 factorial is 9 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 factorial into 3 factorial is 6. 9 into, otherwise you write 3 factorial. 3 factorial get cancelled. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 6 factorial. 6 factorial get cancelled. 9 8 ja, 56. 8 7 ja, 56 into 9. 9 6 ja, 54. 54 means 9 5 ja, 45 plus 5 50. 5 not 4. So option number A is the B is the right answer. Next. The letters of the word woman are written in all possible orders, and these words are written out as in a dictionary, then the rank of the word woman is. So in this the woman, so the words start with A is 4 factorial. Remaining 4 letters is there 4 factorial. Similarly, next dictionary word letter is M. M in 4 factorial ways. N in 4 factorial ways. O is 4 factorial ways. Next W. So we start W with A, W A, 3 factorial. W, W M, 3 factorial. W N, 3 factorial. Now W O, W O A, 2 factorial. W O A M or W M A N. M A N is 1. Total is 4 into 4 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 2 plus 1. Now 2 factorial means 2. 4 into 4 factorial, 24 into 4 96. 6 into 3 18 plus 2 plus 1. So 99 plus 18 117. 117 is the right answer. Option number D is the right answer. Next. HCF of two numbers is 17. If the numbers are in the ratio 3:7, then their LCM is, so 17 into 3, 51. 17 into 7, 117. So now that LCM is, so the 17 is common. 17 into 3 into 7, 51 into 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35, 357. Option number B is the right answer. Next one. In the poultry farm, 50 hens give 200 eggs in 2 days. In how many days will 20 hens give 400 eggs? 50 hens, 200 eggs in 2 days. 50 hens, so 100 eggs in 1 day. So 51 ja, 52 ja. One hen gives 2 eggs per day. Yeah, 20 hens gives 400 eggs. So how many days means 400 by one hen gives 2. 2 into 200. 2 into 20. So 40, 41 ja, 40, 10 ja. So 10 days it takes. So option number C is the right answer. Which pair of rational numbers lie between 1 by 5 and 2 by 5? 1 by 5 value is 0.51 ja, 52 ja, 0.4. This is 4.12, 0.4512, 0.552 more. These two are not like in this one. So this one is 0.121. 121 is lesser than this one. This is also not like this one. So 0.262. This lies between these two. 0.27, that is also lies between these two. So this is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. Next. In a non-leap year, what is the probability that the last day of the year starts with a T? So in any week, 2 days starts with T. Tuesday and Thursday. 2 out of 7 days start with T. 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is the right answer. Option number A. Next one. If by selling 10 papayas, the cost price of 8 papayas is released, then the gain percentage is 10 papaya selling price equal to 8 papaya selling price. So 2 is the profit value. 2 by 10 into 100. 10 1 ja, 10 10 ja. 2 into 10, 20%. 20% is the gain percentage. Option number C is the right answer. Next one. If X% of A is same as Y% of B, then Z% of B is X% of A equal to Y% of B 100 get cancelled. B equal to X by Y A. Z% of B, Z by 100 into B equal to Z into X by Y into B. So substitute B value. ZX by YA or Z by 100. ZX by Y percent of A. Or Z by Y percent of A. So option number D is the right answer. Next one. So 2505 divided by 0.5. 2505 divided by 0.5 means 1 by 2. That means 2505 into 2. So we get that value is 5010. Similarly, 25.05 into 2. 10, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 50.10. Option number A is the right answer. pipe A takes 16 minutes to fill a tank. Pipe B and C, whose cross-sectional circumferences are in the ratio 2:3, fill another tank twice as big as the first. If A has cross-sectional circumference that is one third of C, how long will it take for B and C to fill the second tank? Now here, A fills 16 minutes to fill a tank. So one tank that fill in 16 minutes. Now here, A has cross-sectional circumference that is one third of C. That means 3 times C's cross-sectional circumference equal to A. That means C equal to 3 times of A. So that means here the two are there in the ratio of 1:3. But here we observe that this area of the circle compulsory in the form of r square, radius of square. That means 3 square means 9 square. 9 tank by 16 is the time is 1 minute work for C. This is a 1 minute work. B and C they are in the ratio 2:3. Circumferences. Area they are in the ratio 4:9. So 4 by 9 parts of B value in C. So 9 by 16. That equal to 4 by 16. This is 1 minute work of B. Now here B and C combinedly work and fills 2 times of A. So 9 by 16 plus 4 by 16 equal to 13 by 16. So 2 times of that a 13 by 16 into time t equal to 2 times circumference of A. So t equal to 16 to 32 by 13. So 32 by 13 value is 32 by 13, that is option number B is the right answer. Which number should be multiplied by 43 so that it will have 3 prime factors? 43 itself is a prime number. We multiply 2 prime numbers. The least prime numbers is 2 and 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 value is 6. So multiply this 43 with that least prime numbers, 2 prime numbers, that is 2 into 3, that value is 6. 6, then only we get 3 prime factors of that multiplied number. Next. The principal A borrowed at A% per annum simple interest for A months will amount to. Now amount formula is principal by principal plus interest PTR by 100. Here P value is A, P value is A, T value is A, R value is A per month means here 12 months means divide by 12. So month value converted into year means divide with 12. Now A plus A cube by 1200. So here taking as common 1 plus A square by 1200. So option number A is the right answer. Next. 3 consecutive whole numbers are such that the square of the middle is greater than the product of the upper two by 1. Find the middle number. Here, 3 consecutive whole numbers are such that the square of the middle number is greater than the product of the other two by 1. Find the middle number. So here, see options 12. 12 is the middle number means 10, 12, 11, 12, 13. Here, the square of the middle number 144. 11 into 13. 11 3 is 33, 11 140. So this square is greater than one value multiplication of this one. So this is one of the options. 6, 5, 6, 7. 5 is the 35, 6 is the 36. This value is one value more than this product value. 8. 7, 8, 9. 7 9 is 63. 8 square value is 64. These are also one value more than this one. So this condition is satisfied by all these options. So all of the above is the right answer. If x increases linearly, how will a minus x behave a greater than? If x increases, automatically a minus x value decreases linearly. Here linearly is given, so it linearly decreases, not exponentially. So decrease linearly. Option number A is the right answer. Next, choose the odd man out. Select one: pentagon, square, triangle. All these are depending on edges. That means length and breadth values. Circle is not depending on length and breadth values. So this is the different one. Option number D is the right answer. Next, from the given choices, select the odd man out. Now here you see that J, L, N, J, K, K, A, L, M, N. So the two values right here. Similarly, D, T, U, V, W, X. Next, D, E, F, G, H, O, P, Q, R, S. So here, last two digits says middle of this remaining three digits. But here that is not possible in B. So option number B is odd man out. B is the right answer. Next, Raman is not wearing purple. Amar is not wearing black. Raman and Sahil wear different colors. Avinash alone wears green. What is Sahil's color if all four of them are wearing different colors? So here Avinash color only we knows. Remaining persons here, and also here we have purple and black and green. Another fourth color here did not know. That means here we here can't say about the colors of that four people. So can't say the right answer. Next, study the statements and the conclusions and select the correct option. No country is absolutely self-dependent these days. So this is the given statement. No self, so no country is absolutely self-dependent these days. Yes, it is important to grow and produce all that country needs. It is impossible to grow and produce all that a country needs. So it is impossible. So this is the right answer with respect to this statement. Countrymen in general have become lazy. So we won't say this one. There is no proof to say this second conclusion. So option number second conclusion is wrong. Only one follows. So only conclusion one follows means option number E is the right answer. The question contains some statements followed by some conclusions. Decide which of the given conclusions logically follow from the given statement and disregarding commonly known facts. All tomatoes red. All grapes are tomatoes. We take this one first. All grapes are tomatoes. So all plus all. So here predicate, here subject both are same. Cancel this. All grapes are red. So get this first conclusion. Next, some tomatoes are grapes. So revert this one, all converted into conversion of this one is all terms, all converted into some tomatoes are grapes. So second one is also correct. Both one and two follows. Next one. Rahul is facing south. He walks straight for 15 meters. So he goes 15 meters straight south. And turns left and walk 25 meters. Turns left. So now it's south, or left is right, right is left. Then turn left again and walks 15 meters. And finally it turns left and walks 40 meters. So north or left is left. So this is 25 meters. This is remaining 15 meters. How far and in which direction is he standing from the starting point? This is the starting point. This is east, west, north, south. The starting point and ending point he has distance 15 meters. From starting point we observe that he is in west face. So 15 meters west is the right answer. Next. Hash denotes greater than, divided by denotes equal to, and denotes not equal to, plus denotes less than, percentage denotes a little more than, into denotes a little less than. If AC percentage BC, then AC little more than means greater than BC. That means A greater than B, A greater than C. Similarly here, C greater than B, C greater than C. That means C is greater value. So option number C is the right answer. A player X stands 50 yards away from Y in the west. So here Y stands west 50 yards, stand by X. He moves 10 yards straight towards south and then turns eastward going to 50 yards. While Y also comes down southward and meets X at the same point. Come down and meet X. Here. X and Y here both are meets. This value is 10 meters. So this value 10 meters means this is also 10 meters. How far is Y from its original position? So from original position, how far is there between Y and X and Y is 10 meters or 10 yards. So option number B is the right answer. If KEWHI represents FA or CE, what does INX or FQ stands for? K. So first here we write EJOT. E stands for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. JK, K value is 11, E value is 5, T UVW, UVW 21, 22, 23. H, HIJ, H value is 8, I value is 9. F, F value is 6, A value is 1, F value is 6, A value is 1. R value is 18, R base value, C value 3, E value is 5. 11 to 6, 5 increases. 5 to 1, 4. 5 to 1 means 4 decreases. 23 to 18, 5. 8 to 3, 5. 9 to 5, 4. 5, 4, 5, 5, 4. First year increases, decreases, again decreases, decreases, decrease, decrease. I. I value is 9. N value is 14. X 24. R 18. F 6. Q OPQ. OPQ 17. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 means E. 9 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 5 minus 4, 4 means D. 14 minus 4, 10. 10 means J. 14 minus 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4, j. 10 j. X. 24 minus 5. 19. 19 means S. 18 minus 5. 13. 13 is M. 6 minus 5. 1 means A. 17 minus 4. 13. 13 means M. 17 minus 4. 15 minus 5 L. Similarly here, 15 minus 5, 9. 9 means I. AS and AL we get. Otherwise, as per this formula, we won't get any answer. So no answer is there. Guilt is fast. Guilt is fast. Hope is future. Future is the right answer. Hope is hope for future. Guilt means already previous one, that is fast. Find the missing number. 5, 24, 8. 5 square minus 1, 24. 8. 8 square minus 1 value, 63. 63 is the right answer. If hard is coded as 1357. 1357. Soft is coded as 2468. What will be 21448? 2 means S, 1 means H, 4 means O, 8, 8 means T, SHOOT. Option number C is the right answer. From the given choices, select the audible out. PGL, kite, crow, sparrow, all these are names of the birds. Bird. Here, bird is the bird is not a different type of name. So it is a group of all the things called as bird. Bird is the audible out. E is the right answer. The question shows a pair of words in which the first is related to the second in some way. It is followed by a single word which bears a similar relation to one of the given alternatives. Find the correct alternative to complete the analogy. Melt, liquid, liquid is melted. Freeze, freeze means solid. Solid is freezed. So solid is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. I think everyone understood all these shortcut methods. Please watch my videos up to date. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks to everyone.